student, welcome. In this video, you will learn about applications of C programming. In the introduction to C programming, I told you that more about the importance of C language we will learn in a separate video. This is the video for that. So, let's begin. Before going to show you the applications of C programming, first I would like to describe about what is a program and what is a software. What is a program? A program is a set of instructions that tells the computer what to do or how to perform a task. Let's say, for example, a small task of addition of two numbers. We want to instruct the computer, then we will write a program in a set of instructions. Let's say in step 1, we will instruct to the computer read two numbers. Let's say x equal to 10,000, y equal to 2 lakhs. In the step 2, we will guide to the computer do addition, which is x plus 1. In step 3, we will instruct to the computer display the result of x plus 1. Then the computer will do the required task which we ask to do, that is addition of two numbers, that is called program. Then what is software? A collection of programs will become a software. A software could be application software or system software. In the features of C programming, I already briefly told you about the difference between system software and application software. Using system software, we will interact with the computer hardware. It means system software will operate the hardware, and using application software, we will interact with the system to perform a specific task. An example of application software is a web browser. Let's say Google Chrome. We will open Google Chrome to send messages to our friends or to search for any information or to download any information. It is an application. In short, application is also called as app. And examples of system software include operating system like Windows, Linux, Unix operating systems, device drivers like printer driver which is used to print any document, and utilities like backup softwares, antivirus softwares, etc. It means you take any software in the computer. It doesn't matter whatever the computer it is. It may be a desktop PC or it may be a laptop or it could be a portable device like phone, tablet, etc. Whatever the software we are working with, it is a collection of programs which is definitely made with programming language. Okay, now I would like to show you the list of applications which are developed using C programming language. Let's see. Desktop operating systems which you use like in desktop PC or in the laptop like Windows, Unix or Linux operating system and Mac operating system were developed using C language. Not only the desktop operating systems but also the mobile operating systems. It could be a mobile phone or a tablet or any other portable electronic device. We know the mobile operating systems like iOS, Android, Windows Phone. All these mobile operating systems are also developed using C language. Let's go to the website and quickly check about these languages. Okay. Here is the Microsoft Windows operating system. We can see here the languages which they use to implement this Windows. So, Windows was implemented using C++, C#, assembly language, JavaScript, Visual Basic and C language. Let's go and check the Unix operating system. It was developed using C and assembly language. Similarly, Linux operating system, we can see here it was written in C and assembly language. Let's go and check the mobile operating systems as well. iOS operating system, it was written in C, C++, Objective-C and so on. Let's go and check Android operating system. It was written in Java, C, C++ and others. One more thing we should note here is that to develop any software, maybe they will use one programming language or they may use multiple programming languages. So, using C programming, we can develop desktop operating systems as well as mobile operating systems also. Let's see some more examples which are developed using C language. Web browsers. We are very familiar with the web browsers. Every day we will use web browsers, right? To search for any information or for communication like emails. Web browsers like Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Internet Explorer. Of course, Internet Explorer is implemented using C++ language, which is also a family of C language. So, the web browsers also can be implemented using C language. Not only that, databases also. The world's famous databases like Oracle, MySQL, PostgreSQL and MS SQL were also written in C language. The main importance of database is we can store large amount of information securely. It could be like banking details, like our bank usernames and passwords. It could be like shopping information. Let's say we open Amazon app and we ordered some items. What are the list of items we ordered? That one also will be stored in the database. We can also store health information, like we want to store the patient's information securely. We can also make use of the database. So, databases can also be implemented using C programming. Okay, let's continue with the applications of C programming. Backup softwares, antivirus and firewall software. We already know that backup softwares, antivirus and firewalls all will come under utilities, which are the examples of system software. Using backup software, we will take the backup of our data. It means we will take a duplicate copy of our original data, so that if we lose the original data, we can make use of the duplicate copy to prevent the loss of our data. Backup softwares can also be developed using C language. These are the examples of backup softwares which are developed using C language. Those are Amenda, Bakula, Borg Backup and Bug, and also antivirus and firewall softwares. These softwares are also very important. They must be installed in our system to protect our information from the external attack. So, antivirus softwares like CLAM antivirus, usually we can call it as CLAM AV. AV means antivirus. And firewalls like NetFilter, NFTables, NPF and PF were also developed using C language. Okay, we will stop here for now. We will see few more applications of C programming in the next video. Thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.